Here's some actual footage from this microscope so you can see exactly what kind of quality you can expect with this. And here are some clips of my boys using this, and they just love to go around. They will look at literally anything with this. You just kind of walk around, you see what are things going to look like up close. The cool thing about this is it does have some lights, so it illuminates things. It is very kid friendly. Fairly easy to navigate menu. For the basic functions, you can figure everything out, and you can see the design. This is tailored towards kids. It's just a lot of fun. This was sent to me so I could make this video. Let me show you up close how to use this. The microscope does come in a few different colors. I got the baby blue one because baby blue. So you get a manual, a little carrying strap, USB-C charging cable, and it even comes with a 32 gig micro SD card. So the material, very rubbery, durable, can be dropped. This is definitely made for kids. You've got your micro SD card slot here. It does have a little microscope here, and then here is how you turn it on. Just press and hold, and by default the lights do come on, or the LEDs. You can adjust how bright you want them to be by pressing the LED button here. It's giving us a warning that there is no storage, but it does already have onboard storage. So I can take a picture. It says how many pictures I can take with the onboard storage, not a lot. And then you can press this to navigate through your images and see all the images and videos you've taken. Press and hold to get to the menu. So you can lock it or you can delete it. Let's go ahead and delete. And you press the photo button to confirm. Let's go ahead and put the card in. And you can see we have much more storage now. We can store a lot of photos and videos. So to show you how well this works, we will look at this coin. Let me go ahead and make it brighter. So here you can see the details of the coin. And you can zoom in. Let's zoom in all the way, and you can see even more details. That is pretty impressive, actually. I've used kids microscopes before, and usually they look like the more traditional microscope. A lot of times you have to plug it into a computer or use a phone app or something like that. The really nice thing about this is it's designed to be carried around, has a built-in screen, so it's just so easy and fun to use. As far as the photo and video quality goes, I will just let you look at this and you can decide for yourself what you think. My boys have absolutely loved having this. This is one of those things that makes a great gift, like for literally anyone. You could give this as a gift to someone. They're going to have a lot of fun. So any birthday party, Christmas, whatever, just doing well in school or science, you give this gift out. It's going to make anyone so happy. I love using this. It is a lot of fun. You got to check this out.